the launch of Pamana, a weekend dinner buffet here at Cafe Dalmont. I am Colleen Lavista and I'm going to be your host for this afternoon. Would like to recognize our performers for this afternoon. Harmony and Horizon and Dance World Magnific. Let us give them a big round of applause. This month-long culinary celebration showcases the heart and soul of Filipino cuisine, highlighting the rich flavors of Kapampangan cooking through the creations of Chef Felix Asuncion. Tonight, we proudly feature two heritage dishes. Begukan Babi, a savory pork dish simmered in bagoong, full of bold umami flavors, and Asado Matwa, a sweet and savory pork stew, slow-cooked the traditional way, inspired by recipes passed down through generations. These dishes are more than food. They are pamana, a legacy of taste and tradition. To formally open our event, I'd like to call on Ms. Mayan Malapote, the Director of Operations of Del Monte Hotel Manila, to share her welcome remarks.
Thank you. Magandang gabi po. And Maya Pamon Tongabi. On behalf of Belmont Hotel Manila, I am delighted to welcome you to our Pamana, a weekend dinner buffet featuring the culinary creation of Mr. or Chef Felix Asuncion. Tonight, we celebrate the rich culinary heritage of the Kapampangan region. Known for its bold flavor and meticulous preparation, Chef Felix has poured his passion into every dish, ensuring they reflect his proud Kapampangan roots. We're excited to showcase two standout dishes tonight, as my colleague Colleen has mentioned, the Begukan Babi and Asado Matwa, both bursting with authentic Kapampangan flavors. These dishes will be available at Cafe Belmont throughout the entire month of April, so we are inviting you to return and enjoy these dishes. At Cafe Belmont, we're not just about offering great food, we are offering an experience that brings people together to appreciate our Filipino culture. Thank you again, Chef Felix Asuncion, for sharing this passion with us. And to all of you, thank you for being here tonight. Let's enjoy the rest of the program and enjoy our dinner later. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you, Ms. Mayan, for your message. And now it is my pleasure to introduce to everybody the man behind tonight's featured dishes, Chef Felix Asuncion, whose deep Kapampangan roots and culinary artistry have brought Pamana to life. Chef Felix, the floor is yours.
Maya, Bengi Kemongan, or should I say good evening? Yeah. Or tonight, I wanna teach you a Kapampangan word. Okay lang ba? Yes. Okay, sabihin na mo, manyaman. 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 Ulitin mo lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Manyaman. Alright, so ang ibig sabihin po ng manyaman is delicious, masarap. So, manyaman na gatpanakon kekongan. Or should I say, masarap na hapon sa inyong lahat. Right. I'm Chef Felix Asuncion, loud and proud Kapampangan from Pampanga, San Fernando po. So, sino po dito yung mga taga Pampanga? Ayan, yung mga Kapampangan. So, may mga Kapampangan po tayong friends dito. So, I'm from Pampanga. My family background is actually the food business and catering. So, we've been doing catering for more than 31 years this year. 2025. I'm the eldest, family of 4, and I would like to share to you, my original plan was I wanted to become a doctor. That's my original plan. But sabi nga po, no, many are the plans in a man's heart, but the Lord's purpose will prevail. So, plano ko maging doktor, bigla bumalik po ako sa kusina. But then again, no, my father, just to share to you the story, is actually a balut vendor. 13 po sila magkakapatid. Siya po yung bunso. And my mom is actually, she's a sales lady in one of the biggest mall. So that's how they started. So my mom and my dad, no, married very young. So, tawag po sa Pampanga yung tinanan. No? So, tinanan po ng tatay ko yung nanay ko. Sayang wala lang po sila dito. But at a very early age of their relationship, no, at 18 tsaka 21, kinasal po sila. And that's how the family business started. So, yun po ang story namin for almost 30 years that we've been sharing. And both of them are actually high school graduate. No? High school graduate. And I'm the eldest of the family of four. I actually love yung word po ng pamana. It talks about what will we give or leave behind. No? Sometimes pamana means not only talk about the gold mine, no? Yung lupa, no? Or yung mga properties na iiwan po natin. Do you agree? Pamana sometimes talks about the stories, the values, the inspiration of our families. And I truly believe that each and every family has a beautiful and very unique stories. And we should be all proud about those stories that we have. And tonight, these two hurling dishes that we're going to share with you all are actually very close to my heart. So, there are three things that I want to share tonight. 3 S actually. The first S is the story. So, why these two hurling dishes? These two hurling dishes actually kicks in the core memory that I have when I was young. Because mahilig po ako makilam sa kusina when I was, nung bata po ako. So I was looking at kung ano yung luto ng mga chefs namin, and little did I know, they're looking at asadong matwa. So this is the second Kapampangan word na gusto ko pong turo sa inyo. Yung asadong matwa. O yung tinatawag na matwa. So pag sinabing matwa, huwag niyo pong titignan yung katabi niyo. And sabihin po niyan is old people. Okay? Matanda. Huwag niyo pong titignan ang katabi niyo. Ayan, hindi pa po yan matwa. Okay? Fresh pa po yan. So that's the second word. So this asadong matwa. Actually, naalala ko po when my lola cooks this sa mga fiesta. Pag na-miesta po kasi sa Pampanga, because Pampanga is very well known with a lot of traditions, no? Tumatango po yung iba. Kasi alam nila, pag sinabing Pampanga, fiesta yan. No? In our town, in Pampanga na Palit, 3 araw po kami ng miesta. Imagine that. 3 araw. That was June 28, June 29, June 30. So yung niluluto po noon, yung mga ulam na pwedeng ipalit, no? Iinit on the next day. Di ba? Kaya po itong asadong matwa na to, pag pumunta po kayo Pampanga, alam po nila yung food na ito, yung asadong matwa. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung asadong matwa, masarap siyang iniinit-init. Kahit pang 3rd day mo siyang iinit, manyaman. Masarap po talaga siya. That's why this dish, but I just want to honor and acknowledge my good friend Chef Dan, who invited me here in this hotel. Palakpakan mo natin si Chef Dan. When he asked me, sabi niya, Chef, sabi niya, 2 hurling dishes. No? Pamana na pagkain. Una po talagang pumasok sa isip ko yung asadong matwa. And tonight, I would like you to taste this food, no? And have this core memory. So, ito pong asadong matwa, actually, ito yung ulam na laging binabalot pag may pesta. No? Familiar po ba kayo sa Sharon? Diba? Ayan. So pag freezer po yan, tapos ininit ulit, ang sarap pa rin ng asadong matwa. Ayan. Okay, the second dish that I wanna share to you is yung Bego Kambagi. If you can look at the history of Bego Kambagi, no? way back pa, during the Spaniards, ang luto before po usually lagi adobo yan, adobo. So there was a time, there was a time na yung Bego Kambagi or this dish po, no? Ininit nila yung adobo. Pero nanawa na sila sa adobo. Ngayon, yung pangatlong word na ituturo ko po sa inyong Kapampangan. So una is manyaman, pangatlo is, okay, yung pangatlo is dara. Dara. Meaning tita, auntie. Ayan. Huwag niyo titignan yung katabi niyo. So, yung si Dara, nagdala siya ng shrimp paste or bagoong. Ngayon, they experimented mixing yung adobo, no, na baboy, and yung bagoong. And that's where the bagong babi, no, na pinanganak siya during those times, all olden times. Until such time na, this dish naman, when I remember the story of this dish, during the pandemic, this was actually the dish that we're able to manufacture or create in our commissary and became a product na sinaserve namin ngayon to different restaurants all over the Philippines. And whenever I see these two dish, they're very close to my heart because they have stories to tell. Now whenever I taste them, I cook them, no, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi these are very, very inspirational stories for me. And so when we talk about naman sustainability, maybe I was able to skip the next slide. When we talk about sustainability, I just want to share 5 things about sustainability. I want to check my notes because I don't want to miss this one. So for me, sustainability means creating systems that allow our local farmers and food producers to thrive. Especially now these days, sustainability, there are a lot of programs about sustainability. But what's the true meaning of sustainability? Sustainability for me is also supporting our local producers because they need really help. Kailangan talaga ng help. I don't know if you saw the Facebook post about the sibuyas. A friend of mine has been catering from farming to table and to grocery. Talagang grabe po yung mga sibuyas, talagang nasisira po sila. Dahil nga wala pong bumibili ng mga local sibuyas sa natin. More on the imports. And second is designing systems or kitchen menus that reduce waste without compromising the flavor. To all my friend chefs who are here, this is actually one of the thing that we want to consider, that we can design our kitchens and menu that reduces waste. No? Third is choosing ingredients that honor our land and heritage. Alright, and lastly, building a company culture that takes care of people. And I just would like to honor and acknowledge all the leaders from the mega world. I believe and I really I learned that they really care and love their people as well. Takes care of the people because they are our most renewable resource. And lastly, when we talk about pamana, when we talk about this gifts for the next generation, let's not forget that legacy is built not only by grand moments, but the daily decisions that we make to innovate, to conserve, and to uplift our people. At this point in our country's journey, we need businesses with soul. We need leaders who think beyond the next quarter and start thinking about the next generation. Because if we talk about or look forward to the vision of our companies, how do we really care for the next generations? How do we pass on this pamana? More than the food, food is actually a tool for us to share our love, yung pagmamahal natin sa mga pamilya natin, and even our guests. But of course, how do we really preserve this gift for our next generation? To those here who are shaping industry, who are in tourism, food, hospitality, education, or even advocacy, know this, that we are all the architects of the future. And the question we ask ourselves is, what kind of world will it be? Ano po yung iiwan natin na legacy sa ating pamilya, sa ating mga katrabaho, sa ating mga guests? When they leave this place, paglabas nila sa Belmont, what kind of legacy, what kind of imprint, what kind of mark will be leave to them? Is it a good mark? Is it a bad mark? The choice is up to us. And as I stand here today, I also want to commit to making sustainable or sustainability a part of my daily choices. We can actually choose to be sustainable every day. Not just for our companies, no? Hindi lang sa kumpanya natin, but for my son, for my second son, buntis ko yung asawa ko, and for our children, and for all the young dreamers out there who will one day walk the paths we're paving now. Let's create a legacy that is not only rich in culture, but rich in care, love. For the people, for the three P's: people, planet, and of course, our purpose. And for me, that's the true meaning of pamana. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng pamana po sa akin. It is the story, it is the love, it is the value. No? And I see the food, it is actually, ano yung story na ito? Because once upon a time, this has been a story to me as well. And now, I'm sharing it all with all of you. So with that, no, alam ko po, gutom na po ang lahat. And everyone is really excited to taste our food. You know? I just want to end with this quote. Vision is the art of seeing things that are not yet visible. Meaning, there are a lot of plans, there are a lot of visions. These are not yet visible. These are the unseen. But what we can do now is for us to create plans for a very sustainable future. And I believe Belmont, Mega World, and all of the team in here are all moving forward to this sustainability projects. And kaisa niyo po ako dyan. Kaisa niyo po kami, mga chefs, na we create menu, we will be considering how to make it sustainable and not compromising the flavor. And with that, so I just would like to welcome you all, and maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart for welcoming me here. And I hope that inspires you today to make a sustainable future for everyone. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Chef Felix. We have learned a lot, right? We have learned about the word dara, and dara means tita. And then another word is manyaman. Yan. So later, for sure, sasabihin natin pagkatikim natin, oh, manyaman. At dahil yun sa asadong matuwa, for sure, Chef Felix, matutuwa ang lahat sa malalasahan natin mamaya. Diba? Ayan, okay. So at this moment, okay, may we call on Ms. Marian Malapote, our Director of Operations, together with Chef Felix again for a photo opportunity with our media guests and our corporate guests. So let's have a photo up here in front.
Okay, first photo, 3, 2, 1.